Hey everyone, how's it going? I have a 2014 Acura RDX all-wheel drive with 154,000 kilometers. It does have a drive shaft noise, the center drive shaft that runs from the front to the rear of the vehicle. I've diagnosed it to be the hanger bearing, so I guess Honda guys call it propeller shaft. So the hanger bearing is making noise. First, I'm going to take you for a road test, just around the block, just for you to hear it. You can actually hear it right now, so. So it's pretty noticeable. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but I do have the drive shaft with me. It is aftermarket. I will drop a link to it in the description. I bought it off eBay, so yeah, it ran me about $650 Canadian. I'm not sure if I need hardware for the drive shaft, so I will take a look at that when I get to that step, and we'll go to my Acura dealership if I need it. But I'm going to lift the vehicle right now, and then I'll show you what to do. All right, so here's the center propeller shaft. This is the bearing that was howling, and then it goes to the rear diff. I've already replaced this. This is from a 2017. Replaced it due to shuttering, so replaced that. I also replaced this half shaft up here. See how it's brand new? I was making some noise, but this is the major noise. So you need a 12.10 socket or wrench like me. Loosen it, lefty loosey. Oh, and make sure your transmission's in neutral. I forgot about that, so you can't spin it. But then you got another set of 10s back here. Okay, and then these are 14s. They look corroded, so I'll probably replace it with the spare bolt. But yeah, so those, and then these two. So a total of 10 bolts. So I'll just cut it to when I have it on the floor and have the new one ready. Alrighty, so took off the old one, as you can see. And here's the new one. So they look like they're the same in length. Looks like it has been balanced. So here's a hanger bearing that was making noise. And also these U-joints. You can start to feel them, but they're not that bad. But the new one's nice and smooth, so that's good. So it's gonna go up. And yeah. Alrighty, so there's the old one, here's the tools. It was pretty close, but honestly, it fit right on. It was pretty close, but it fit right on. I was pretty nervous, but it's good. We're gonna go for a road test, and then I'll bring it back in to do rear shocks on it. I did that side, I haven't done this side. This bolt is seized in the collar, so yeah. But let's go for a road test, see if it's fixed. All right, so new drive shaft's in. We're gonna go for a road test. So far, so good. I don't hear anything, but let's bring it up to speed. About 60 to 80 just to confirm. I mean, I heard it at like 30 kilometers per hour, but we'll drive it just to confirm. Perfect. I have winter tires on right now, so there is a little bit of noise, but not the loud noise of that hanger bearing. Yep. All fixed. If you have any questions, you can drop a comment. I'm pretty familiar with these Acuras. Done a lot of maintenance to this one, so I'm gonna bring it back into the shop, do that rear shock, and then front outer tie rods as well. One of them has play, so I'm gonna just replace both of them, do an alignment while I'm at it, and then that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.